morning, everyone. So we start today with this talk, No More Broken Handoffs between product and engineering. And before we start talking about these topics, I would like to do a quick survey with you. Very easy. I ask 3 questions and you just raise your hands if you ever experience something like that. So, ready? Raise your hand if you ever thought that a user storing is kind of missing something. I expect 100% to be honest.
Awesome.
Yeah. So then second, raise your hand if you started developing or building something and you discovered that, okay, the edge case is not reflected here. That's pretty much, I think, what do you guess, 80% or something?
Yeah, something like that, yeah.
Last question. And raise your hand if you underestimated the effort when you were sitting in the estimation, because the user story was way more complex than you ever suggested. Yeah, still like 70% is like almost everyone.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, great, thank you. You are not alone, you saw it. More than 60% of teams say that they waste time in their handoffs between product and engineering. These best guess implementation lead to technical debt even before the sprint starts, because we underestimate the value and also the effort and also the complexity. So what is the result? Frustration on both sides, right? Yeah. So I think, okay, that was not my expectation. You say?
Yeah, that's not my expectation either, right?
Yes, so we wonder why the final product doesn't match at all. So welcome to No More Broken Handoffs between product and engineering. Today we show you 2 things. We want to show you how to use AI workflows for more effective handovers between product and dev. And second, how it changes the way of collaborating between product and engineering. Yeah. When I say we, I mean the 2 of us. I'm Zamina, I'm a product manager. For 15 years I develop machine learning and AI systems like personalization algorithms, foundation models for autonomous driving, and also predictive maintenance systems. So I cover the product part here today. And
yeah, hello, I'm Benedikt, or Benne. I have also like 15, 20 years development experience. I think we never worked in the same team, but
in the same company?
Yeah, in the same company. Yeah. So yeah, I'm developing software systems since ever, doing Scrum, getting user stories from my product managers, and yeah, I'm going to be the dev and the wingman today.
So the wingman,
yeah. Not enough to say today, but yeah.
So what we want to do with you is a little role play. So we want to show you how we work together as product and dev. So, Bene, I have created something. You will be very surprised what I have created.
Awesome. Let's see.
It's a user story.
No way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So look at the user story and remember our product detail page, right? From Blume 2000.
Yeah, I do.
You remember, right?
Yeah, I remember the page, yeah. I also remember the code.
You remember the code?
Yeah, some of it.
Okay, so look at the product, my user story. As a product manager, I want users to see my product description with rich text, and so the product quality is communicated. That's my acceptance criteria, and out of scope, I also defined.
Oh, awesome. Okay. Yeah. This is the whole story?
Yeah.
Okay,
Why?
so it's like 10 lines or something? I mean, there's a lot of stuff that I could just now imagine what also might be criteria, because there's a lot of stuff missing, right?
Really? What is missing?
Yeah, I mean, for example, like the load time, is it on Wi-Fi or on mobile, or like do we need to include that in the search?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
point,
yeah. So we have like edge case or yeah. And what about the rich text, like bold, italic? Okay, links as well. But like, how do they edit that? Like HTML editor or something?
Oh, yeah. Okay. I didn't thought about rich text.
Oh yeah. And I forgot about that as well. So you see, also I forgot about that already. That the length, right?
Yeah, true. Yeah, the length of the mobile.
Yeah.
We have to figure it out. Do we want to show the whole text, right?
Yeah.
If we show the product description. Okay, that's the normal behavior we experience today, right?
Yeah.
So I hand over a user story. You ask me questions back. We discover, okay, it's not fully shown. So it's old world problems. Week 1, You maybe have a basic implementation with questions back and forth. Week 2, we discover the edge cases, and week 3, okay, something maybe broke even, and it's buggy because complexity of the real code.
Yeah.
So what about if we change that today? So change the way what is described here. So instead of me saying, I thought the user story was clear, and you answering.
Yeah, I mean, I underestimated the complexity, right?
Yeah. So what if we work differently now?
Yeah, it's good.
So let's build it together, maybe.
Okay.
Because you know what? There's this trend, vibe
Oh
coding.
my God, no.
Yes.
Not really, right?
Yes, I want to code now. I'm a product manager.
Oh my
and I will yes, don't look at me like that. Let's do it. Yeah.
Oh my God. Yeah. What can go wrong?
So let us do it like this. So I use a screenshot of our product detail page.
Okay, okay.
And instead of writing the user story, I go into the tool and we prompt together.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
Okay, let's do it.
But
So-
are we going to release that as well, or?
Release? No, no, no. I just
Okay,
wanted to see what you think about the rich text.
Okay, okay, okay.
So, okay, let's do it. I try it now in real time. Not sure if it's working with the Wi-Fi, but let's do it. So,
Fingers crossed.
fingers crossed. So let us create a product detail page as attached. So I have a screenshot. With product description, rich text support, mobile optimization.
Okay, okay.
Yeah?
And the screenshot doesn't have that yet, right? So it's without this.
Yeah, can I show it again, maybe?
Ah, yeah, okay. There's no description.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There is no product description.
Yeah.
Only, you can order it.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Okay, now let's try to build it.
Something is happening. Okay.
Let's see.
Let's see.
But it's a little bit longer than usual.
Okay. Now maybe you can switch to the.
To the prepared one.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, of course we have prepared this already. So, this is the same prompt, it's the same screenshot, and this is the outcome. Let me show you.
Okay.
Let me show you. So, this is the product description.
Ah, okay, okay.
Yeah?
Oh, there's this button. That's different, right? So we can now know that we can like
Yeah, true.
do more and
yes,
less.
I didn't specify that in the user story.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, you can.
Okay, but the rich text is missing, right?
The rich text is missing. So let us go. So what I did do in the second part is to include the rich text with a prompt. Simplified rich text.
Ah, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Simplified.
Text is stored as Markdown, not HTML.
Ah, okay.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's a good idea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bold is good to highlight something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Italic, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not a security issue with HTML, right?
So let us see if this real worked. Still building, so
Yeah, it takes a few minutes, right?
takes a few minutes.
Yeah.
So I prepared it, as I said. So the second one, the second prompt is the update of the product description with the rich text.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah, that looks good, I think.
looks good, yeah.
Yeah.
But you know what I think? Maybe we can structure also the product description and say, okay, what type of flowers are inside? So you have it like buttons, and then you can
Okay, you mean
scan it.
you want to like the essential part of this. You will highlight that somehow. Yeah, could be a good idea.
Yeah.
Mm.
This is still building in real time.
Yeah,
so-
maybe it's also like a different feature then, but let's see what comes up.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So in the, let me show you.
Yeah. Ah, okay.
Yes, like that.
Okay.
What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of talk about technically, like how to store that and how to extract that and so on, but visually.
Can you extract that?
Yeah, possibly, yeah. There are different ways to do that, yeah.
Maybe it's increasing the complexity.
Oh, yeah, of
Oh,
course.
oh,
It's,
yeah.
yeah, it's concrete, yeah.
Okay, okay.
For me, it might even be a different user story, right? So we have two.
It
go to
is
the
a different
description.
user story.
Maybe, yeah.
Okay. Okay, maybe, I'm not sure about it, maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Too much complexity?
Yeah, maybe too much complexity, too much effort. Maybe we should user test it. What do you think? Before we add so much complexity.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, you had this idea now, and we didn't really validate it, right? So users could, I mean, even the description could be something that is distracting the users. I mean, Blume 2000, I know a lot of men are shopping there, so maybe they don't even need the description, maybe, because they just want to buy the first thing they see there and like get out of it as fast as possible.
Okay, what about that? I switched to the code.
Ah, okay, wow.
Yeah. Then I copy the code. And what I can do is I let ChatGPT act as a role play.
You are
Role
making
play as
it
a
this.
customer.
Ah, okay.
And you said, what is the usual customer?
Yeah, it's like a male, like maybe, I don't know, like 40-ish, 30, 40-ish. Oh my God, if someone sees that, I have no idea about maybe like getting fast, want to shop very fast, right? So, and
So
doesn't
he
really...
forgot about his wedding anniversary?
Yeah, probably, He got the reminder on the same day, so needs to order it.
Need to buy urgently.
Yeah,
right?
very urgently, yeah. And he doesn't really, I mean, he probably knows the color that the wife likes.
Okay.
But that's it, right? Like not the type of flower or
Knows the
like,
color.
Yeah, only the color, right? So
The favorite color.
yeah, hopefully. Yeah.
And
yeah, I mean, once
give us feedback on product description. That's what we want to change.
If that is like a...
And what criteria are important
Yeah.
for buying.
Yeah. So you want to kind of ask it now if it's world knowledge, if this is something that this type of person might be interested in or not.
Let's see if the Wi-Fi is good enough for that.
Yeah. Is that like just like default ChatGPT, or do you have like some special?
I have the thinking mode.
Okay.
But yeah, the best would be for the synthetic feedback to have, of course, persona profile to attach it.
Yeah. So you would use your usual marketing persona that you have, and then you can. Okay. Yeah. Awesome.
Okay.
I like the emoji though. It really captured the essence of it. Yeah.
It is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Völlig verpennt is also pretty awesome. Yeah. Okay. But it's kind of slow in the answer though. You might.
Yeah, it is kind of slow.
Yeah.
So, but the point is, so let's move back.
But let me show you.
Yeah?
Ich brauche zero stress. It's also super nice.
Zero stress.
Awesome. I like it.
Okay.
He really kept like, you were literally writing like 5 words and he actually had this on point.
Okay, let's move on. I think it was clear what we wanted to show.
Yeah.
So what just happened was a different kind of collaboration. So I described it. Thank you so much, Bene. Applause for Bene.
Thank you.
So everything happened at once. So I described it, Bene was attending it, we built it, we discussed it, we iterated, even we received some synthetic feedback, and we decided together. And that's how we change handoffs between product and engineering. The old way is kind of separated and also broken, because maybe I wrote a perfect user story, and Bene will then reply to me, okay, that looks like 5 points, then that's the handoff, and then I wait, he builds, he will find edge cases, then rework it, and that leads to frustration. The new way is different. 10 minutes even here on stage, we could build a prototype together, we refine the requirements, we find edge case, we could brainstorm together, and it's even ready to test with users. So we try to avoid back and forth communication. We didn't do any refinement meeting, and this will hopefully prevent mid-sprint surprises. Let me tell you one thing. This is not about AI tools. You can replace Lovable with anything you do in your or you use in your company. It's actually about a little bit about the iPhone moment. And the iPhone moment, it doesn't make phones faster in the past. It changed how we interact with devices. And AI-powered prototyping, vibe coding tools like Lovable, they just don't make building faster. They change how we collaborate with each other and how we build software together. So they give me, as a PM, access to knowledge like coding and change the way of working. So what's the shift? So what did we change in this kind of role play? There are three things we want to give you as a result of this presentation. First of all, we replaced the user story at all, and our replacement was the prototyping part. So we forgot about what I described in the user story, and we prompted together and tried to visualize it together. That's the first thing. Second thing, discovery, estimation, refinement. What did we even do here in this role play? We did it all in once. Our structured meetings, which we know from Scrum and Agile, merged together with these AI capabilities. So second point is that we didn't stick too much to these structures and processes which we learned already. And the last point is, maybe you noticed, maybe you didn't, because we didn't make it so clear, but in the end, ownership and also decision come together. So our roles based and decisions which we discuss based on architecture, data, UX, design, ideas, that comes together, and we are not separating ownership here so strictly. So roles merge as well. So the shift is, before the product wrote some user specification, development estimated in the estimation meeting, we had a handoff at sprint planning, and in the end, there was one sentence, maybe during sprint, maybe after finishing. That's not what I meant. So with AI workflows, it changes. Product and dev create prototypes or collaborate earlier. The developer estimates more informed, and we could even question, do we need a handoff or is it a continuous dialogue? Because we can see it both now together. How can you achieve that now in your daily work? In estimations, don't do this. Don't say, okay, we skip estimations. Estimation to estimate complexity is still important. But on the other side, don't stick to these dogmatism about Scrum meetings and structures. It's kind of merging right now. And also, prototype is a prototype. It's not a final product or working software. Do this instead. Use prototype to show complexity and also use to discuss complexity. Testing, also edge cases, and use prototyping as a discovery tool, not as a delivery shortcut. Estimate must be based on production-ready code and not on the prototype. So the new definition of ready is, a ticket is not ready when I have wrote acceptance criteria or the design is attached. The new definition of ready for user stories are the PM and the developer discuss together, maybe prototype together, edge cases are identified, and the estimate is based on more discussion and complexity estimation. We see that the future collaboration is different. It's not any longer, hey, what did you mean by that? Let me get to you with user testing, or I didn't understand the requirement. It's typical sentences. It's about shared workflows. So it's more about, can we explore this together? What's the best way to move forward for our users and customers? And how can we share our decision-making process, and not about information gathering? Your takeaways, because I have 40 seconds to go, and then we get some questions. 3 takeaways to act. Maybe you start and test, can you prototype together? So organize for a small feature a joint product discovery session with the whole team. Use Lovable, prompt it, and then visualize it. Then second, if you want to be more braver, try to replace a whole ticket with a prototype and make architecture decisions also visible with that prototype. And lastly, iterate as a team, not in silos. So really ask, can we explore this topic together? Final thought, the best handoff is actually no handoff. Best products are built together. Thank you so much for your attention. And if you want to know why vibe coding is actually killing your AI productivity, I recommend Bene's talk at 11 on stage 4. And thank you so much. Connect on LinkedIn and grow together.